Thank you for your question. We received the following question in French. I'd like to know if you know the starch in azuki that is good for health. I'm very happy that you asked the questions that I want you to ask because I also believe that the healthy nutrition in azuki actually lie in the secret of their starch. So today, I tell you how is azuki starch different from wheat or rice. Starch in azuki is just today's theme. So let's start. Azuki are more starchy than protein. Azuki are listed as nearly 60% carbohydrates in the food composition table. In other words, nearly 60% is starch. However, the labeling on this food composition table is the result of analyzing azuki in their seed form. After boiling, after cooking, the starch in the watery boiled azuki is actually converted into starch, which is different from wheat, flour, or rice. The starch in boiled azuki is converted into digestible starch, which is difficult to digest and absorb. Therefore, the starch in azuki is not digested and absorbed as carbohydrate in the intestine, but is excreted out of the body as dietary fiber. This fact that is not digested and absorbed is one of the main characteristics of azuki starch. So, before boiling, azuki beans are made up of more than 60% starch, but when they are cooked by boiling in water, the starch in them is not digested and absorbed, but acts as dietary fiber. So, I'm sure you will agree that regular intake of azuki will help you regulate the intestinal environment. I've been experiencing the health benefit of taking it every day. I believe that the source of physical health is to regulate the eliminational environment rather than to add one more good thing. Repeat. One of the biggest reasons why the azuki are so healthy is that their starch turns into the indigestible starch when cooked, unlike wheat or rice. Azuki contain various micronutrients as well as indigestible starch, but I'd like to emphasize and tell you that this role of regulating the intestinal environment is good for your health. Thank you for your question about azuki starch. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. Please subscribe our channel and keep watching, please. Thank you. Bye bye.